I want a glass of water.
I want a glass of water.
Do you want to go home now?
Do you want to go home now?
This soup is very warm and good.
This soup is very warm and good.
Please wear a warm coat today.
Please wear a warm coat today.
I wash my hands before I eat.
I wash my hands before I eat.
Please wash the dishes after dinner.
Please wash the dishes after dinner.
I like to watch TV in the evening.
I like to watch TV in the evening.
My father has a nice watch on his arm.
My father has a nice watch on his arm.
I drink water every day.
I drink water every day.
The water in the lake is very cold.
The water in the lake is very cold.
This is the way to the train station.
This is the way to the train station.
I do not know the way home.
I do not know the way home.
We go to school every morning.
We go to school every morning.
Can we play in the garden today?
Can we play in the garden today?
I wear a blue shirt to work.
I wear a blue shirt to work.
She likes to wear red shoes.
She likes to wear red shoes.
The weather is very nice today.
The weather is very nice today.
What is the weather like in your city?
What is the weather like in your city?
I found this on a website.
I found this on a website.
The school has a new website.
The school has a new website.
There are 7 days in a week.
There are 7 days in a week.
I will see you next week.
I will see you next week.
What do you do on the weekend?
What do you do on the weekend?
I visit my family every weekend.
I visit my family every weekend.
Welcome to our home.
Welcome to our home.
You are always welcome here.
You are always welcome here.
She speaks English very well.
She speaks English very well.
I am not feeling well today.
I am not feeling well today.
The sun goes down in the west.
The sun goes down in the west.
My house is in the west of the city.
My house is in the west of the city.
What is your name?
What is your name?
I do not know what to do.
I do not know what to do.
When does the train leave?
When does the train leave?
I was happy when I saw you.
I was happy when I saw you.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I do not know where he is.
I do not know where he is.
Which book do you want to read?
Which book do you want to read?
I do not know which one to choose.
I do not know which one to choose.
She is wearing a white dress.
She is wearing a white dress.
The cat is black and white.
The cat is black and white.
Who is that man over there?
Who is that man over there?
I do not know who she is.
I do not know who she is.
Why are you sad today?
Why are you sad today?
I do not know why he left.
I do not know why he left.
My wife works at a hospital.
My wife works at a hospital.
He loves his wife very much.
He loves his wife very much.
I will call you tomorrow.
I will call you tomorrow.
She will be here at 6.
She will be here at 6.
I hope our team will win the game.
I hope our team will win the game.
She wants to win the race.
She wants to win the race.
Please open the window.
Please open the window.
I can see the garden from my window.
I can see the garden from my window.
Would you like a glass of wine?
Would you like a glass of wine?
This wine is from Italy.
This wine is from Italy.
It is very cold in winter.
It is very cold in winter.
I like to ski in winter.
I like to ski in winter.
I live with my family.
I live with my family.
She goes to school with her brother.
She goes to school with her brother.
I cannot live without water.
I cannot live without water.
She left without saying goodbye.
She left without saying goodbye.
That woman is my teacher.
That woman is my teacher.
A woman is waiting at the door.
A woman is waiting at the door.
We had a wonderful time at the party.
We had a wonderful time at the party.
The weather is wonderful today.
The weather is wonderful today.
I do not know this word.
I do not know this word.
Can you spell that word for me?
Can you spell that word for me?
I work in an office.
I work in an office.
She goes to work at 8.
She goes to work at 8.
He is a good worker.
He is a good worker.
The worker is building a house.
The worker is building a house.
There are many countries in the world.
There are many countries in the world.
She wants to travel around the world.
She wants to travel around the world.
Would you like some tea?
Would you like some tea?
I would like to help you.
I would like to help you.
I write in my notebook every day.
I write in my notebook every day.
Please write your name here.
Please write your name here.
She wants to be a writer.
She wants to be a writer.
He is a famous writer.
He is a famous writer.
I am learning writing in English class.
I am learning writing in English class.
Her writing is very beautiful.
Her writing is very beautiful.
This answer is wrong.
This answer is wrong.
I think you are going the wrong way.
I think you are going the wrong way.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah, that is a good idea.
Yeah, that is a good idea.
I am 20 years old.
I am 20 years old.
This year is very special for me.
This year is very special for me.
The sun is yellow.
The sun is yellow.
She has a yellow bag.
She has a yellow bag.
Yes, I would like some water.
Yes, I would like some water.
Yes, that is correct.
Yes, that is correct.
I saw her yesterday at the shop.
I saw her yesterday at the shop.
Yesterday was a very busy day.
Yesterday was a very busy day.
How are you today?
How are you today?
I will call you later.
I will call you later.
She is very young.
She is very young.
The young boy is playing in the park.
The young boy is playing in the park.
What is your name?
What is your name?
Is this your book?
Is this your book?
Please help yourself to some food.
Please help yourself to some food.
Did you make this yourself?
Did you make this yourself? Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.